everyone, welcome back to English Talk Time, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Ellie, your host who helps you learn real English from real life. And as always, I'm joined by my fantastic co-host, Mike. How are you doing today, Mike?
Hey, Ellie. I'm doing great. You know, I was just watching a movie last night, and I suddenly thought, wow, movies are actually one of the best teachers for learning English.
Exactly. That's why today's episode is going to be super fun. We're talking about learning English from movies. Real phrases, real emotions, and natural expressions that people actually use in daily life. But before we start, please help to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share this video with your friends and family. It really helps us a lot.
Yeah, not those boring textbook lines like, where is the library?
Right. In this episode, we'll show you how movies can teach you phrases that real native speakers use, help you understand pronunciation, and show you the feeling behind English words. So by the end of this episode, you'll know how to pick up natural phrases from movies and sound more confident when you speak English.
Exactly. Plus, we'll share famous movie lines, their meanings, and how you can use them in real life. So grab your popcorn and let's start our movie-style English lesson. Viewers will learn a lot. Let's get started. Part 1. Why movies help you learn English?
So Mike, why do you think movies are such a great way to learn English?
Well, because movies show real conversations. You can hear how people speak, not just what they say. You get to learn the rhythm, slang, and emotion, all in one place.
Yes. When you watch movies, you also hear natural pronunciation. People say gonna instead of going to, and wanna instead of want to. These are called informal contractions, short, easy ways that native speakers talk every day.
Exactly. You'll never hear a hero say, I am going to save the world. They say, I'm going to save the world.
Movies help you understand how English really sounds in real life, not just how it looks in books.
And the best part? You're learning English while having fun.
That's the secret. When learning is fun, your brain remembers better.
Part 2. Famous movie phrases you can use in real life.
Let's look at some famous movie lines that can teach us useful English phrases.
The first one, may the force be with you.
That's from Star Wars. It means, good luck, or I hope success is with you. People use it when they want to wish someone strength or encouragement.
Right. Like, if your friend says, I have a job interview tomorrow, you can say, may the force be with you. It's funny and positive at the same time.
Yes, it's a creative way to say, good luck.
Next one, with great power comes great responsibility.
That's from Spider-Man. It means when you have ability or authority, you should use it wisely. It's a moral lesson, not just a quote.
Yeah, it's like if you become a leader, a teacher, or even a big brother, you have to act with care and kindness.
Beautiful. This phrase teaches that power should always come with responsibility.
Now, here's an easy one. I'll be back.
From the Terminator, it simply means, I'll return, or I'll come back soon. But the way he says it makes it sound strong and confident.
So you can joke with your friends and say it in that cool voice, I'll be back.
See, even simple lines can make learning fun.
Part 3. Everyday phrases you hear in many movies.
Now, let's learn some common English phrases you hear in almost every movie and that you can use in your real life.
Great idea. The first one is, you got this.
It means, you can do it, or don't give up. It's a short motivational phrase you can say to encourage someone.
Like, if your friend feels nervous before an exam or interview, say, hey, you got this. It helps them feel confident.
Next one is, No worries.
That means it's okay, or don't worry about it. You can use it when someone apologizes.
For example, if your friend says, "Sorry, I'm late," you can smile and say, "No worries." It sounds friendly and easygoing. Another one is, "What's up?" That's a casual greeting. It means, "How are you?" or "What's happening?" But it's more relaxed.
Yeah, you can say, "Hey, what's up?" when meeting a friend, and they might answer, "Not much. How about you?"
Exactly. It's very natural in English-speaking countries.
Another cool one is, "Take it easy."
That means relax or don't stress too much. People often use it when saying goodbye in a calm way.
Like, "See you later. Take it easy." It sounds chill and friendly.
All these short phrases are common in movies and daily life, so they'll help you sound more natural.
Part 4. How to learn English from movies effectively.
Okay, Mike. Now let's talk about how our listeners can actually learn English faster from movies.
Tip number 1. Use English subtitles. Watch with English subtitles first. It helps your ears and eyes connect words with sounds.
Then, try watching small scenes without subtitles. It trains your listening skills.
Tip number 2. Repeat what you hear. Pause and imitate how the actor says the line. Try to match their tone and feeling.
Yes, this is called shadowing. You repeat what you hear right after the actor. It's great for pronunciation practice.
Tip number 3. Keep a movie notebook. Write down new phrases like "hang in there" or "you made my day."
And tip number 4, use what you learn. Try one movie phrase every day in your real conversations.
That's the secret. Using English, not just studying it.
Exactly. The more you use what you hear, the faster you'll sound natural.
Part 5. Motivation and real-life connection.
You know, movies don't just teach English, they teach emotion.
Yes, you learn how to express feelings like happiness, sadness, excitement, or courage.
Like in Titanic, when Jack says, "Never let go," it's simple, but powerful. You remember it because it has emotion.
Exactly. When you feel the meaning, not just memorize it, that's when you become fluent.
English is not only about grammar, it's about emotion and connection.
Every time you laugh, cry, or feel inspired by a movie, your English gets stronger.
So, next time you watch your favorite film, remember, every line is a little English lesson.
And the best part? The lessons come with popcorn.
All right, friends, that's a wrap for today's English Talk Time.
Nice movie pun. That's a wrap means the filming is finished.
Now it's your turn. Pick one movie you love and write down 3 English phrases from it. Practice saying them this week.
And tell us your favorite movie quote in the comments. We'd love to hear it.
Remember, every movie is a free English lesson waiting for you.
And every time you listen closely, you're learning like a native speaker.
Keep watching, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself.
Because hey, you got this.
Perfect ending. Thanks for joining us today on English Talk Time.
And I'm Mike. See you next time. And may the force be with you.